the thing is, I'm not really sure what happened between Serena and the umpire. And I keep getting asked questions about it, but I'm not too sure. But for me, I don't know. I think it's still a win, so I'm just gonna count it as that. I think right now what I'm feeling is very tired is the main thing I feel. So hopefully as that wears off, then I'll start feeling more happy.